We can have rivalry about music, but a mejuma ni wejuma, it becomes a personal staffer. I can sue you and damage you in court. And fan kwasi asem en kwashe social media chi enjimi Webkid and why Jimmy some na can yes a bianim, but for you to go to the extent of attacking his wife, the integrity of his wife, and people to are foolish enough. I told Shatta family to say, come on, reasonable. Say namunye reasonable. People are defending this stupidity. Obeka about obijire or can kwasiasem about obire. People are defending it. Obiya diene nya kachen se nya oye na Jimmy Sem Jai. I saw a video of Shatta telling people, say, I will give command. Who are you? You can't give command. This is a democratic country. You can't give command. Trust me, you can't give command. Hello, I Xposed GA. The name is Ben Bros. Baby, I will be I'm doing check and Sienna and Mom. That's say we're tuning in. But also subscribe be ya boy don't man so. Now all subscribe to all. Yeah, the two man now won't say nya can be. Stonebwoy ni Shatta Wale say yeah say the off music incidents no Jimmy Sem. Yes, a fan of Shatta Wale has come on whatever the social media. What can Simbia? Yen kwasiasem ensemfun ensem asabe nipa enka wonipa ho. Guy no ekeka nsem bi about Stonebwoy ne yire ho say wo ya apache nti wontimi ndi ne yire. Enti sabi obi na kobo ne yire na de ben kwasiasem sa eyiya Stonebwoy. It has been going on and on. Ne do ba bi na Stonebwoy ka chere say, listen, I'm a gentleman. I've been to school. Mentisa Shatta for na sabi mu yenkrase for no. To ade ne court, what ne court ne che guy no. Ne che guy no, and na your friend say Shatta Wale eba na ne wo so or eje ni militants no. So wo ko street no so no wo ko bobo mo se de enkwasesem sa.
Now Stonebwoy, the matter say, yes watch your boys no ba ko atum. Webkid na watch no. One say ya they know by no. Stonebwoy here my Fasata movement in the agro. Free Webkid, Stonebwoy, Benjamin.
The boy you go arrest him from your own area, Shaman, Tema. Where you go arrest him? He dey your area. He know you. But I say they like your music, they like my music. That one too they worry you. Sometimes you know how many mafias they tell me say they can come Shaman. You know how many programs we have for come Shaman for. But sometimes I don't want to behave like the way you behave. Stupidly the way you behave. But your house them are not saying no. You know the stage, you there outside. You know the even the people say they trust you know what trust go. You there outside. You there outside. You there the zongo. You there where trust go. If you know be mean and appear say no buy house for you. The house you can't cash where you take buy. What nonsense with this? What nonsense with this? No appear the cancer you know be $50,000 you say make he give you. When you got no money, when your eye can't open, which fame carry your head where you won't behave like you see some fame, so you just say you get power. Which power be that? Which foolish power be that?
Boy Jimmy for ne say a friend of Webkid o said Jimmy Webkid. What bodam now to 2 dimbo. Hey, mama can be mention areas one. Where your freedom starts, that's where somebody's freedom ends. Areas one. Ye this stardom a chair, ye be Jimmy a chair. We can have rivalry about music, but a mejuma ni wejuma, it becomes a personal staffer. I can sue you and damage you in court. That's what people don't know. I have a private life. You can say, ejuma na mi mejuma. I'm okay. I don't really mind. But utra na uba my personal life there. I have every right to throw you into jail. And that's what people don't know. And fan kwasi asem en kwashe social media chi enjimi Webkid and why Jimmy some na can yes a bianim. If you cast a Stonebwoy nyomo nyeda, I don't have problem. And I say be onim show yet, and I say something you talk about him. I don't mind. But for you to go to the extent of attacking his wife, the integrity of his wife, and people too are foolish enough. I told Shatta family to say, come on, reasonable. Say namunye reasonable. People are defending this stupidity. Obeka about obijire, or can kwasiasem about obijire. People are defending it. And we are so be. Nipa when Jimmy Pani Obia or standing for Bibia no matter what or say no one I'm standing for. Nipa ni Jimmy Kura no say no one. Oba in society mo NDC MPP Jimmy was say no one. NDC Jimmy was say no one. That means you are a fool. Jimmy ya you get to a point you can say this one no. Obia himself very few weeks ago I came here and I spoke about Stonebwoy. Saying the utterances be all year about Shatta no, it's becoming too much. Me daddy they try and try for me catch him say sometimes no it seems that Shatta has become quiet and now Stonebwoy is what ranting. Man can we and a kwasi be a friend Webkid and one also buy no wobey kwasi say people are clamoring for it. Don't be fool. Don't be a fool. Obi ya de na nya catch and say nya oye na Jimmy Sam jai. I saw a video of Shatta Wale telling people, say, I will give command. Who are you? You can't give command. This is a democratic country. You can't give command. Trust me, you can't give command. We are within the laws of Ghana. If you follow Ayebibia, you should be able to call your follower to order and tell him, say, what you did was very stupid. Now, the day the law will catch up with you, then you know you're a foolish man. Or a foolish girl. Because it be yet meeting near Mechi Ayan Kwasiasema in the name of so-called celebrity following. But who follow with your brain, your sense. Don't follow blindly. Near Webkid and Jimmy Sam at the highest order. And I was expecting Shatta to come and say, oh, bro, I'm sorry. Where you went too far. Because if you are talking about ABA, Stonebwoy eto nyum say Shatta and now say Stonebwoy nyum nya de Shatta nyum na de I don't have a problem and now Shatta is a showstopper. These are the things, these are the conversations I want to have. After all, what are we doing? If it's competition, it should be healthy competition, pushing each other to reach the Grammys. Nigeria for Grammys, we are here fooling Jimmy Samsane. And the Benna Boy, look at where he is. Some time back, Benna Boy was Shatta Wale's boy. And then can you mention the same name Benna Boy and Shatta Wale? No. Instead of us fighting among ourselves, stupid fighting, we should be pushing each other to reach the Grammys. That's what I'm saying. Nigeria, Davido, Webkid, these are people that are taking Grammys. And we are here. Local champion, most of our musicians when they call Grammy selection way, it's a shame to Ghana. Instead of coming back to the drawing board and seeing where it went wrong, then you are here fighting over somebody's wife integrity, and people are hailing him. What kind of stupid society is this? Huh? And you are hailing this stupid boy. Webkid was a genius. Jimmy Anka, I can do with so far to home. What I say? When Jimmy Tina did to home, don't be fooled. Me, Bruce. Shatta Wale no we need Grammy, be me there because we need be Oigana. Sana Stonebwoy we need Grammy, be me there. It's when we talk about their music, that is where I like. But don't let us transcend. Say Shatta Wale warrior is none of my so-called fucking business. Say Stonebwoy, you know whatever. That is not what I'm interested. I am interested in their music because at the end of the day, that is what makes them who they are. It's when a follower, make sure say you are pushing them to excel in their music. Not that you are pushing them to bring rivalry and whatever to the detriment of Ghanaian Music Awards. And this thing said the police has to step in. We need to talk to Shatta Wale and Stonebwoy. Say, it does not augur well for your music industry. Rivalry should be musical. It should not be confrontational. Sabiene, Ukowena, now Stonebwoy, wake up and now, Massa and Kwasiasema Jimmy Sam. A word to wise is enough. Webkid, Massa, go and apologize to Stonekid. Stone Boy. Na asem no yentwemra. Enye sa na wudi nkofo echi, we will hit the street. You can hit the street and then the court will make sure say you go to Nsawam. If you don't know, I expose the chef and subscribe share. Me the 2 man answer can be manuasi.